All right, today's very first lesson for Pohnpeian is this. Most Pohnpeian verbs have a transitive form called a VT, verb transitive, and an intransitive form called a VI. You can see in the dictionary, for example, that every verb listed is either listed as a VT or a VI. So let me give you an example. To eat, eating in Pohnpeian is mange, mange. But if you want to, so mange is, mang mange, I'm eating, I mang mange, I'm eating. And, but if you want to say that you are eating rice, you don't say I mang mange rice. You say I kang rice. So kang is the transitive verb, which has an object. So I kang rice. I am eating rice. Whereas mang mange, I mang mange, I'm eating is just an intransitive verb. It can be just a verb out there that doesn't have an object. So I'm eating. Ikakalek, I'm dancing. That's an intransitive verb. It doesn't need an object. It can just be by itself. So your assignment for today is go through the dictionary, either online or in your hard copy, and look at different, just search for VT or VI and try to see how many verbs you can find under each alphabet, count them, compare, just see if you have any favorite verbs. And what I'd like you to do is put it in the comments, in the video comments below, and we'll talk about it in the next class maybe. Or we can at least communicate through the comments about different verbs. So that's your assignment. Look up your verbs and start to get familiar with the idea that most of Pohnpeian verbs, at least from the sample that I pulled out, I would say between 75 and 85% are of verbs have a transitive, have a partner, have a pair, are paired, transitive, intransitive. And oh, wow, there's so much to talk about. But that's for your very first lesson today. Let's start there. And I look forward to seeing your comments in the section below. Thank you very much. Kalahngan. Kaselehlie.